Hello friends, today I am going to talk to you about sustainability. This is something you are aware of. Sustainability for us is focusing on the 3 P's: planet, profit and people. Let me first start with planet. You may be aware that by 2050 the global temperatures will increase by almost 4 degrees. Now what does that mean to us? It means a lot. And already we are seeing that in our country we are experiencing floods in certain areas and drought in certain area, and that impacts the entire agriculture ecosystem. If things are not done on a war footing, within few years we will have significant drop in our agri output produce. It means that all of us need to contribute to a better planet. Now what are we doing in Agri and Allied? In Agri and Allied we have various businesses: seeds, agri-chemicals, micro-irrigation, pulses, fruits and many more businesses. Through our micro-irrigation business, we are helping the farmers to do the farming practices with minimum water. Just to give you some data, we save close to 7 billion liters of water every year, which is almost the same consumed by the entire Mahindra and Mahindra group. And I am happy to inform you that through our micro-irrigation business, we are now moving towards becoming a water positive group. And our unique program of CDM has been accepted and registered by the UNFCCC. This is of course one initiative. We can do many more things. But question is, what can you do? Each of you are impacting the planet. Each of us, with our family, with our businesses, is creating carbon dioxide. As per research, an average family of 2 adults and 2 children contribute to almost a generation of 8 to 10 tons of carbon dioxide. Just to give you an idea, that it takes 6 lakh trees to grow for 1 year to offset this carbon dioxide increase. That's a lot, isn't it? So friends, we all know our role as responsible citizens of the planet to contribute to the cause of sustainability. I would like to appeal to each one of you to do your best to minimize, reduce, reuse, recycle and contribute in creating a healthy planet for tomorrow, so that our grandchildren can have a very happy life. Thank you very much.